Infantry guns played a significant role in World War II. This relatively lightweight artillery was crucial for mountain troops and less mechanized units. One well-known model was the Type 92 infantry gun used by the Japanese Army. During this period, all major military powers had similar equipment. The British Army was equipped with the QF 3.7-inch mountain howitzer, hereinafter referred to as the 3.7-inch gun. The need for the 3.7-inch gun was proposed by the Indian Army. Before World War I, they were equipped with the BL 10-pound mountain gun, which had a caliber of 69.8 mm, weighed about 400 kilograms, and had a maximum range of nearly 5,500 meters. This gun performed well in Africa, but was clearly inadequate on the European battlefield of World War I. It lacked a recoil mechanism, which affected its rate of fire, and its ammunition lacked power. The British themselves had plans to replace the BL 10-pound gun. In the years before World War I, they upgraded the artillery, using a new carriage, recoil buffer, and other improvements, resulting in the BL 2.75-inch mountain gun. Its performance during World War I was also not satisfactory, and it was gradually replaced by the QF 3.7-inch mountain howitzer in 1917. The 3.7-inch gun had a caliber of 94 mm, weighed 730 kilograms, with a barrel length of 11.8 calibers, and used interrupted screw breech. It was equipped with a hydraulic pneumatic recoil system, with a barrel elevation angle of -5 degrees to 40 degrees, and a horizontal adjustment range of 20 degrees. The ammunition was separate loading, with 5 different propellant charges. The maximum range of nearly 5,500 meters was achieved using the highest charge of 5 charge 0.6 pound, while the maximum range using the lowest 1 charge 0.2 pound was just over 2,000 meters. The gun could fire high explosive shells, shrapnel shells, smoke shells, and later added armor-piercing shells. Among these, high explosive shells could not be used with more than 4 charge 0.5 pound of propellant. Considering the need for marching mobility, the gun could be highly disassembled and transported by 8 mules. A well-trained gun crew could disassemble and assemble the gun in 2 minutes. The gun's suspension had a certain degree of adjustability, allowing for normal use on uneven ground, although the slope difference could not be too great. The gun had a gun shield to protect the gunner, which soldiers often abandoned to reduce weight. In the early days, the gun was equipped with wooden wheels for horse-drawn transport, but after World War I, it was changed to pneumatic rubber tires, allowing for high-speed vehicle towing during marches. The 3.7-inch gun was not widely used during World War I, but it showed some performance in the Mesopotamian campaign. It completely replaced the BL 2.75-inch mountain gun after World War I and was used by the Indian Mountain Artillery and the Royal Artillery of the British Army during both World Wars. During World War II, the British 3.7-inch mountain howitzer participated in many battles in regions such as North Africa, Italy, and Southeast Asia, and a lightweight airborne version was also produced. During World War II, the production of this gun was transferred to India and South Africa. Compared to other artillery with production numbers in the thousands, the production of this gun was relatively low, with only 805 guns produced in India, along with approximately 2.7 million high-explosive shells. Similar to the 92 infantry gun and the M175mm pack howitzer of the same period, the 3.7-inch mountain field gun was suitable for mountain and jungle combat environments, and played a certain role during the war. The French army also obtained a small number of these guns. Exhibits of this gun can be found in the Vietnam Museum today, likely brought over by the French army at the time. After the end of World War II, the British Army basically stopped using this gun.